Hi guys, hope you are doing great. So in today's video we are going to talk about serums, how to use a serum, how to choose a serum, when to use it, why to use it, and all other stuff. So we are going to cover a lot. So let's start with serum itself and what is a serum and how is it different from your regular moisturizer. So serums are skincare products that are very light on the skin and also have a very light consistency, and they have a smaller molecular structure, which means they penetrate deeper into your skin. They just do not sit on the top of your skin, but they also penetrate deeper. Serums are formulated to target specific skin concerns. For example, there are anti-aging serums, there are brightening serums, and then there are hydrating serums, which means they are going to concentrate and target specific skin concerns. Serum is packed with active ingredients and it penetrates deeper into your skin. So serums are either oil based or water based. You can choose whatever suits your skin. I personally like to use water based serum because they have very beautiful light consistency and they sink into the skin really well. So the serum I'm going to talk about today is Lakme Absolute Youth Infinity Sculpting Serum. So as the name suggests, this is a sculpting serum with active ingredients like niacinamide, vitamin A, Insta Collagen Booster, which makes it quite a potent anti-aging serum. So what vitamin A does, it actually prevents wrinkle formation and it also helps with the fine lines. Niacinamide works on the skin's barrier and strengthens it, and Insta Collagen Boosters replenish the depleting level of collagen in your skin. When you start aging, your skin loses its natural collagen and loses its structure. The bottle looks very nice and it has a very interesting mechanism. Twisting the cap reveals the pump here, and the pump works really well, and you twist it back and the pump goes down. I use it during night after thoroughly cleansing my face. I take around 2 pumps of it and spread it on my skin very gently. Then I pat it into my skin, and I do not forget my neck. You should not forget your neck because skin on the neck is pretty thin and aging starts to show up here very quickly, even quicker than your face. So do not forget your neck. So after using it for a month, I can definitely see a smoothness and evenness in my skin. It will look much plumper and fresher and younger. It is very lightweight. It doesn't really sit on the top of my skin. It sinks into the skin. It absorbs into the skin almost immediately. After a month, you will see definite improvements because the key ingredient list is really promising, and that's what you should look for when you buy a serum, because key ingredients matter the most. So next question is going to be why you should use a serum. So like I mentioned, it is meant to target specific skin concerns. That is the reason why you should always use a serum, when you should use a serum. So now serums can be applied day or night. In fact, sometimes you can apply the same serum twice daily, or sometimes you have to apply the serum, a particular serum, only in the night. So after cleansing and toning, the third product has to be your serum, and then you can go ahead with your moisturizer. A lot of you guys ask what is the right time or age to start an anti-aging skincare regime. So I will highly suggest you guys to start an anti-aging regime in your mid-20s, like around 25 you can start an anti-aging regime, because once you cross 25, your skin starts showing early signs of aging, like very fine lines or dullness, or I'll not say loss of collagen because it is too early to see loss of collagen in your skin, but yes, your collagen is depleting because that's a natural process. So it is always advisable to start using a serum as early as possible. This is something I will highly recommend, and this is something I have learned from my personal experience. The sooner you start, the better it is. Night is the time when you should have a proper skincare routine in place, because while you sleep, your skin repairs itself. I think I have answered all the questions. If I have not, please leave them in the comment section. I would definitely love to answer those questions for you. Also, I have a coupon code which I'll mention on the screen, and you can get 40% off on Lakme Absolute Youth Infinity Sculpting Serum. So yeah, that was about it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you're watching me for the first time, please subscribe, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.